there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of robot vacuums. That's right, it's time to say goodbye to manual labor and hello to our new robotic overlords. On the left, we have the ROPVACNIC robot vacuum cleaner, and on the right, the Kilgone robot vacuum and mop combo. Who will suck the most? Dirt, that is. Stick around to find out. First up, let's talk about the price. ROPVACNIC comes in at a cool $299, while Kilgone is a bit cheaper at $267. So if you're looking to save a few bucks for your next avocado toast, Kilgone might be the way to go. But hey, sometimes you get what you pay for, right? Now, let's talk about suction power. ROPVACNIC boasts a whopping 4,000 pascals of suction power. According to reviews, this is one of its standout features, making it great for picking up dirt and debris. Kilgone, on the other hand, doesn't specify its exact suction power, but promises strong suction. Reviewers have noted that while Kilgone's suction is slightly weaker than traditional vacuums, it makes up for it by passing over areas multiple times. Both of these bad boys can mop, but who does it better? ROPVACNIC has a high-capacity water tank with a 4-stage personalized water adjustment system. Reviewers love the customizable water flow levels, making it very efficient. Kilgone, meanwhile, offers a 230 milliliters electronically controlled water tank. Reviewers appreciate its mopping function, but note that it's not as advanced as ROPVACNIC's. Both vacuums come with smart features. ROPVACNIC can be controlled via your smartphone and responds to voice commands. Reviewers appreciate the ease of use and customizable cleaning routines it offers. Kilgone also has app control and voice commands, but adds Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity. This feature has been praised by reviewers who love its seamless connectivity and ease of scheduling. Battery life is crucial. ROPVACNIC doesn't specify its battery life, but it does promise to return to its charging dock when it's tired. Reviews highlight its long-lasting battery life, making it reliable for extended cleaning sessions. Kilgone, however, brags about its 2,600 mAh battery that lasts up to 100 minutes. Reviewers find this duration impressive and sufficient for daily cleaning needs. Last but not least, design and navigation. ROPVACNIC has a compact design with a 3-point cleaning system, perfect for those hard-to-reach places. It's like a ninja in your living room, as reviewers have noted its effectiveness in navigating tight spots. Kilgone, with its 2.91-inch slim design and 360-degree sensor array, is more like a ninja on a diet. Reviewers appreciate its slim profile and ability to dodge obstacles efficiently. Overall, both the ROPVACNIC and Kilgone robot vacuums receive positive reviews, but cater to slightly different needs. ROPVACNIC is praised for its powerful suction, advanced mopping capabilities, and ease of use, making it a top choice for those who want a thorough and customizable cleaning experience. Kilgone, on the other hand, is appreciated for its affordable price, smart connectivity features, and impressive battery life, making it a great option for budget-conscious shoppers who still want a reliable and connected cleaning device. So there you have it, folks. ROPVACNIC and Kilgone, two robot vacuums battling it out for a place in your home. ROPVACNIC offers powerful suction and advanced mopping, while Kilgone brings smart connectivity and longer battery life to the table. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, keep it smart and keep it clean.